Okay, YouTube, so in today's episode, we are working on a buddy of mine. This is his third generation 4Runner. We are going to be installing this rock slider for my friend. This is one I built for him. I call this the Type A rock slider, mainly because it's got slanted legs like this and so on. So this is Type A rock sliders with kick out for him. I've already got everything sanded out, grinded out underneath. What we're gonna do is we're gonna mock this up. Then after that, we're gonna tack this side up. We're gonna turn around, mock the other side up. We're gonna tack that, and then we're gonna start welding. All right, guys. So she is installed. Show you how she looks like underneath. Like always, she is welded on here, here, so forth. Let's look at the from the rear. Looks really nice. There you go. This is 12-degree angled upward, guys. So I find that the 12 degrees for Toyota is perfect. That's just how I discovered. And here's why. Any more higher degree, you won't be able to open your door. Show you. See, you can make this thing come up. You could, but this door, okay. This thing will bind with the door. Okay. Now I get it that you have 3-finger space right here. That's for you to allow you to open your door when you hit a rock and it flexes. And with Rocksliders, you know, it's steel. So sometimes it doesn't want to come down anymore because you've done a bang up job on your Rocksliders, and the Rockslider bends upwards and stay upward. That's how steel is, right? Like for example, you see this part right here. It's bent in and it doesn't want to come out anymore because that's how steel is. It's dented. So you want that amount of space to allow for flexing so that you can get out of your car if you need to when you do a bang up job on it. So there you go. She's done on this side. Underneath, I just finished welding it. It's freshly welded. It's still hot. Here as well. And there as well. So yeah, she's done.